Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to archive your games on your Nintendo Switch to go ahead and free up some storage space. So this is pretty much going to delete the game. However, it's going to keep the saved data. So all the information for your campaign or your single player will still be there. So we can go to System Settings, scroll on down to Data Management, and then go to Manage Software right here. Otherwise, we can go to Quick Archive as well. Let's go to that. Select this. Check it for free space. Then choose the game you want to go in and archive. So let's find a game. Let's go to Paladins. And then we can just simply go to archive. Now at the top it says save data for archived software will remain. You will need to re-download the software again to use it. Okay, so all the information is still going to be there. You just have to re-download it. So let's go to archive data. Archive the following software to free up space. All right, only save data in the home menu icon will remain for archived software. You will need to re-download the software again in the future. So if I go to archive right now, it's going to go ahead and do this. And then if I go back to the home screen, you can see there's some games on here that are already archived, like Apex Legends. I have to re-download that in the future. Eternal, same thing. You can see there's a little cloud symbol above it. But I can always go to all software, and I can find the icon under here and just re-download it. Otherwise, go to re-download software. Now, if you completely delete the game, the save data will still be there too. You just have to go to this section and re-download it on your account page. So, like Apex Legends, I don't think I archived that one. I just deleted it, but I can re-download it at any point in time right here. So it's not a big deal. Just delete it or archive it and you'll free up some space. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.